Hello everyone, welcome to Legit Crypto and Forex. And in this video, I want to show us a very tangible forex trading strategy, the easiest forex trading strategy to make you millions in 2025. I want us to understand this and follow this gradually. Look at it, guys. That this strategy is designed for simplicity and effectiveness, making it suitable for both beginners and experienced traders. It focuses on identifying high probability trading opportunity by analyzing market structure and price action. Market structure and price action. So now, for us to be able to do this, we need to set up our chart. We're using the 1 hour time frame, and that's a higher time frame, and the lower time frame we're even using the 15 minutes time frame. And this strategy emphasizes on the RSI. We use the RSI. We don't use moving average. We use the RSI. Are we together? We use the RSI. So we uses the RSI more, but for those that are not too good with RSI, they can also decide to use the moving averages, because the moving average also have moving average such as moving average 50 or moving average 200. Both, you can use the both of them. But what I want us to understand, the key concept here is that we need to identify the overall trend by observing higher highs and lower lows for an uptrend, and then lower highs and lower lows for a downtrend. That's our market structure that we're looking at. And then we're looking at the demand and supply zone, an area where selling pressure has previously caused price to drop. And then the demand zone is an area where buying pressure has previously caused price to rise. So let's go to actually the business for the day. Look at my chart. My chart is empty. This is my 1 hour time frame. Now I want us to let's include our RSI. That's a relative strength index. Now, why are we using the zone, the demand zone and the supply zone? Is because price always respect previous demand and supply zone. Now look at it, guys. I want us to understand something. Look at it. Let's now draw from here. Let's now draw our demand zone. Demand zone is here. Now you will see it in the future how price will definitely respect it. Look at it. Now let's move. You see how price is coming back to test that levels. You see it. So our demand zones are actually key. I started from this point. Look at it. I started from this point. Started from this point on zones, demand and supply zones. Look at it now. Now we are going bullish. Okay, let me add the RSI so we'll see. Let me just add 200, RSI 200. Sorry, EMA 200. 200. Now price, where is it? Yes. So you discover that price is above it. It means we are going bullish, right? Yes. Now look at the zones. There's actually what? Zones here. You see price coming down to test it by coming to this zone, this particular zone. No, it's actually this particular zone is actually a previous zone. You can actually trace it. You see it. You can actually trace it. Price came to that zone, respected that zone, and then begin to what? Begin to go up. You see, price came here again and broke the zone. You see, price will always bounce or break a zone. That's the trading strategy. Price will always bounce. That is why we're using the zone. Price will always bounce or break a zone. So when you are trading, you should look out for if price is going to bounce on the zone or break the zone, because those zones are actually important. They are crucial. That's why they are there, so that we can actually follow them. Now look at it now. We can look at previous chart too. This is out of our ending point. Look at the previous chart. You see that price was respecting the zone. You see the zone here too. So price now broke up the zone. If you look at it gradually, you go back, you see that price. You see price respected that zone here. You see it. Price respected that zone. You see it. So price always move with zone. Prices always move with zone. We should understand this, that the demand and the supply zones are where price always moves. So let's go to our 15 minutes time frame for us to get a trade. Now look at it, guys, and this is a perfect moment for us to sell this. It's a perfect moment for us to sell this. It's a perfect moment for us to sell this. This is the Asian, this one is saying Asian section. So now look at it, guys. It reaches this zone, price reaches this zone and begin to move up. Look at another zone. Because this is the last zone that we drew. Look at these zones. Are you getting it? Price will always move at zones. Zone, demand and supply zone. It will always respect previous zones. Look at this. Look at this particular zone. Price respected it by coming to do a pullback here. See it? So guys, if you are trading, please look out for zones. Look out for zones, because price will always, you see it, price will always come back to test a zone. Look at this particular zone now. Look at this particular zone. So look at what happened here. Look at what happened here. It sold and then it sold down to this point. Sold down to this point. Came up again, tested that a particular zone. See it. Came back and tested this particular zone. See it. You see the zone. See the zone here. Tested the zone and then returned back for a sell. So you can imagine the profit you make by trading this particular zone. Is that clear? So guys, this trading pattern is an Asian trading pattern that gives profit and is still giving profit. Follow this video, watch this video over and over again. Share with your family and friends. Share with them. Let them watch and understand this video. That when they trade with zones, waiting for a pullback is the best. Is the best in forex trading. Thank you so much. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video. See you in the next video.
Thank you for watching this video. Do like, share, comment, and subscribe to this channel for more information.